I'm going to be taking you through my new apartment in California. So when you come in the front door, you come right into our living room area. We have 2 couches, our Christmas tree right now. Our TV is mounted, and soon we will have kind of like a TV stand under there.
I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side.
And then we transition into the kitchen where we have all new cabinets, which we really like. We have our little coffee bar set up. Our cabinets are pretty organized. We'll see how long that lasts. My favorite mirror ever did come from our house, and we didn't have a lot of room for it, so it lives in the kitchen now. You can see Micah's office spaces right here. He's doing a lot of work from home, so that's where he is a lot. And then this is our washer and dryer. Down the hallway, we transitioned our coat closet into Micah's full closet. Just because we don't have a lot of closet space here, he kind of got to take the coat closet, so that's all his, and it does have a light in it. Down the hall, you'll have our bedroom. This bedroom does have a small attached closet. That is mine. We've got 2 mirrors right now and a little bit of decoration. We have our TV mounted, and we're kind of looking into getting a new dresser, but for now, this is just how it is. Down the hall from there is our bathroom. It's a little small, but we do like it, and we have it decorated kind of cute right now. That's Brogan's little cart. Not a lot of storage, so we did order something to go over the toilet that has some cabinetry. Now down to Brogan's room. He absolutely destroyed his room last night right before bed, and I was not in the mood to clean it, so I kind of just left it. That's normally not what I do. So we played a little bit this morning when I first got him up. There is no closet, but we never really used his closet at our house. All of his clothes are in that dresser. He still has pretty much everything from his room at our house. He's got his big mirror. He's got a lot of his toys in here since we no longer have a playroom. So we kind of use this cube organizer as a way to store all of his toys. This is my favorite area with the lamp on. It's just a cute little corner where we can rock him at night. This is the back door. This lets out into a little fenced-in patio area. They're going to be putting benches out here. It has a bit of an outdoor kitchen, which we really like, and then there's string lighting, which is super cute. Now I'm going to take you through 48 hours in the life. I get up and make my coffee. I love my Nespresso machine. Brogan has breakfast, and we have a maintenance person here working on our stove. I noticed after he left that our floors were disgusting. It's super dusty here in California, but I got my spin wave out. That thing is the best. I love it. It works so well. So I did our whole apartment with this, and our floors are super clean when I was filming this, which I love. When I first filmed this part, we did not have our rug yet. We just bought our rug yesterday. So you just rip these off and throw them right into the washing machine. You can see how disgusting they are because they are white when you first put them on. I fill up my hydro jug, and it takes the entire Brita, so I always have to refill it. And then I get ready. I'm going to take Brogan down to the water on a bike ride. I've got him all hooked up here, and we are gonna go for a 5-mile bike ride today. And then we got back. I made a vegan protein shake with my absolute favorite vegan protein powder, which is Ghost. It does not taste like a vegan protein powder. I made it with Oatly milk, and then I made myself a Propel. I love this age so much. He's so funny and just loves to be silly. Vacuuming our rug and in our room, and then getting ready to edit. These are the moments I cannot get enough of. I make myself peppermint tea after Micah lays Brogan down, and then the next morning I get up. I always like to start the day by opening up these blinds to let in a lot of natural light. We have so much nice natural light in this front room. And then when Micah went on lunch, we went for a bike ride down to the water. It's a half mile from our house and we are just obsessed with it. It's amazing that it's the second week of December and it's warm enough to wear shorts and a t-shirt down to the beach. On this bike ride, we rode all the way down to downtown Long Beach. And then when we got back, Micah got back to work and me and Brogan just didn't want to stay inside, so we went for a walk. And Brogan had to bring along some of his toys. You can see him clutching them in his pocket. Then when Micah was done with work, we went for a little walk around the block. I had this idea that I wanted to go to the beach before sunset. So we jumped in the car and we made it with 6 minutes to spare. Thankfully, we live like just a few minute drive from the beach because I really, really wanted to see a sunset on the beach. It's just a really special moment that I don't think I'm gonna forget.
It's the ocean. This is your home now. You're an ocean boy.
Thank you guys so much for watching.